Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fenix 3 HR to your phone. First, download the Garmin Connect app from your phone's app store. Next, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. It is crucial to keep your Fenix 3 HR watch close to your phone, ideally within 10 meters or 33 feet, during the entire setup process. Now, let's get your Fenix 3 HR ready for pairing. On your watch, press and hold the up button to open the main menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings, then proceed to Bluetooth. Finally, choose the Pair Mobile Device option. Your watch will now be discoverable by your phone, displaying a unique 6-digit code. Considering lifespan and energy efficiency, reveals different strengths. Modern OLED panels are designed to last for many thousands of hours, often translating to 5 to 10 years of typical use before significant degradation. Traditional neon signs, however, are known for their remarkable longevity, often lasting 10 to 15 years or even longer with proper maintenance. In terms of energy, OLED are typically more efficient for displaying varied content, whereas neon can consume considerably more power, particularly in larger applications. If you encounter any issues, try these troubleshooting steps. First, remove the Fenix 3 HR from your phone's Bluetooth settings and from within the Garmin Connect app. Then, perform a full restart on both your phone and your watch. Also, confirm that both devices are running their latest software versions. These actions often resolve common pairing difficulties, allowing you to connect successfully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.